What's up guys, we're back with a new video, and today we're going to be making a fish trapping video, and we're going to be using algae because we found a rock that has algae on it. So let's go get some algae. Right here. Okay, let's go put it in the trap now. Got some in, and I'll see you guys whenever we go to put the trap down. So guys, we're at the spot where we're gonna be putting the trap. I'm thinking here because right before we started the video, we saw some fish swim around here. I think that's good. Let's tie it around here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow whenever we come pick it up. So guys, it's the next day, and let's see if we caught anything. Whoa, we caught a lot. I'll put them in a bucket, and I'll show you guys whenever we have them in the bucket. So guys, we have the fish in the bucket, and let's take a look at them. They're all minnows. We caught no crawfish, but they are very fat. You're probably not gonna let me grab them, but just look how fat this one is. Oh, you didn't want to show, but I'll see you guys next video. Bye.